Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Affirm on Amazon. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go to affirm.com, and from here we'll be accessing Amazon. Now here, just want to scroll down a bit until you see the store section here that's underneath the shop at thousands of stores. Just type in Amazon here, and here Amazon will pop up. Just click on it. It's going to give you a pop-up here. So to get started using Affirm, just click on Shop Now. Now once you've done that, the next thing that you want to do is you want to start using Amazon here to get your products. It's really important that you access the Affirm website first before you proceed on Amazon, because from there Affirm will be added into your checkout list. Now here, what we want to do is we want to add our items. So for example, we want to add this item here. Now from here, what we want to do is you want to add this to cart. Now once we added that, you want to go to your cart now. So now here, what you want to do is you want to go to proceed to checkout, and from here you'll be able to see the Affirm payment method. So just use this address, and we actually scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see the Affirm here section. So you just need to select this one, and from here you'll be able to use it for your checkout, and that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.